Hi everyone, it's me Neha. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Today I am going to share my tips on how to make effective study notes for school, college, or university. Since 8th grade, I have been making notes for every subject. These notes are different from my college class notebook. In class notebook, I generally take down the points discussed during the class session. In my notes, I focus on 2 points: how summarized it could be and how systematic. I am sharing my best three techniques of notes taking. I prefer A4 sheet for preparing my notes. However, you can use a rough copy, any notebook, hardcover, diary, etc. A4 sheets are very customizable. You don't have to worry about the lines. Draw anywhere you want to, it will still look good. I use either 2 or 3 pens and highlighter. And for headings, I use black. For main content, I use blue. And for important points, I use red, green, or any other color of pen. I prefer using gel pen or pilot pen for my notes writing as they improve your handwriting and looks neat and clean. Now let's jump to the point where we'll discuss what techniques are the best techniques of note taking. So the top 3 techniques that I use for note taking is detailed notes. This type of notes is helpful for writing summaries or long answers. You can make a short note or long note answers or paragraph for any topic, but I use it differently. I generally write the points in 2-line sentences. In this way, I break down the long topic into short ones, and this type of note will not make you think like अभी तो इतना सारा पढ़ने को बाकी है. I use highlighter to highlight main points, keywords in the lecture notes, and I use pen to write anything additional on the margin of pages. In this way, you can take a look directly into your notes and easily revise anything you want later. Remember to highlight the keywords and not the whole sentence. So the third one is mind mapping, my favorite one. In this, you make notes by creating branches of any topic and its subtopic. This one is best even at the time of revision. I have always preferred this kind of note taking over any other method. All you need to do is write the main topic in the middle of the page and start creating branches to write its key point. If any key point has anything important, create a branch from that key point and note it down. I have used this note making technique during my graduation and even for competitive exams. And even I cleared them with high result. So these were 3 top techniques I use. If you have any other method, do share with me in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for more study related videos. Bye bye.